Are you tired of stubborn blackheads ruining your smooth skin? We'll share simple, natural, and budget-friendly tips to help you remove blackheads easily and keep your skin glowing. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Baking soda magic. First up, we have baking soda. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply it to the blackhead-prone areas, gently massage for a minute, and rinse with warm water. This exfoliates your skin and clears out those clogged pores. Tip 2. Apple cider vinegar solution. Next, try apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Use a cotton ball to dab it on your skin, leave it for about 10 minutes, and rinse off. The vinegar's natural astringent properties will help shrink pores and remove excess oil. Tip 3. Honey and cinnamon mask. Love a sweet solution? Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon powder, apply it to the blackheads, and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Honey fights bacteria, while cinnamon improves blood circulation, giving your skin a natural glow. Tip 5. Activated charcoal mask. We have the powerhouse, activated charcoal. Mix charcoal powder with a bit of water to make a paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry for 15 minutes, and wash off. This deeply cleanses your pores and removes impurities like a pro. This easy and effective ways to tackle blackheads and get that flawless skin you deserve. Remember, consistency is key, so try these tips regularly for the best results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.